In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send files and photos via Facebook Messenger. We'll walk through this using Facebook on a web browser, but the process is very similar on the mobile app, so you can easily follow along either way. Before we start, make sure you're already logged into your Facebook account and that you have the photo or file you want to send saved on your computer or phone. First, look at the top right area of your Facebook homepage. You'll see several icons there, like notifications and your profile. Find the chat icon that looks like a speech bubble with a lightning bolt inside. Go ahead and click that chat icon. This opens your Messenger panel where you can see recent conversations and start new ones. Next, we need to choose who you want to send your photo or file to. At the top of the Messenger panel, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search field and start typing your friend's name. As you type, Facebook will show a list of matching people and conversations. When you see the correct person or conversation appear, click on it. This will open the chat window with that friend on the right side of the screen or in a separate Messenger window, depending on your setup. Now that the chat is open, look at the bottom of the conversation where you normally type your messages. You'll see several small icons there. Find the one that looks like a small picture or image. This is usually a square with a mountain and a sun inside, which represents photos and media. Click that image-like icon. As soon as you click it, an on-screen prompt will appear. On a computer, this is typically your File Explorer or Finder window, showing the folders and files on your device. On a phone, it may open your photo gallery or give you options to browse your files. From here, navigate to the folder where your photo or file is stored. Click or tap on the SIP on the specific item you want to send, then confirm by clicking Open Alarm, Choose, or the equivalent button shown on your screen. You'll now see a preview of the photo or file appear in the chat box. If you want, you can add a message or caption to go along with it. When you're ready, click the send button, usually shown as a paper airplane or an arrow. Your photo or file will be delivered to your friend through Messenger.